we all know June 14th
Ano, Jim? Mark,
is the summer update of Surabaya. And also, I was lying about the last summer, May 12. But now, my own summer is now May 31. Of course, I can go back in June 1. Yes, like what? I think I got a little burnt out or something. Yeah, that's what.
Matamaan ni Pao. Pao, bahay mo muna, Pao. Ano?
Pao, tignan mo sa langit, Pao.
Anong gusto mo gamit?
Uy, kabayo dyan ah.
Dar na.
Pao, wait lang, Pao. Lumilipad ako, hindi ko ma-stop.
Geng. Oh, yung ano, kanin dyan. Ikaw maglagay, Jim.
Wait lang, di ko makontrol to.
Dag mo na, ikaw na magandang, Mark. Dag mo na, Marcos. Sabi ko kanin dito. Pwede na, Jiro.
Wait lang, gagi na, wala sa mundo.
I've been a little bit
May
late.
kabayo dyan.
Bye!
Buhay.
Meron, boy.
Kain na lang yan.
So, I'm gonna make a new video.
Pao, tignan mo.
Dapat
What? Kasi mag-video.
Uy!